In today's tutorial, we are going to build a journey to add records in Google Sheets for new GitHub issues. So let's get started. For this, select GitHub as our trigger. Now, choose New Issue as a trigger event. Now choose your connection. I am selecting an existing connection and link the account. Then choose Appropriate Project Repository. Now in steps, we have to add a record in Google Sheets. For that, select Google Sheets. Choose Add Row as action. Now choose your connection. I am selecting an existing connection and link the account. Select a spreadsheet and then the sheet. Add rows using GitHub app data. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and let me start the journey. Now to check our output, let's go to GitHub and click on Create an Issue. Now let's go back to the journey to check the execution. Yes, the journey has been executed successfully. Now go to Google Sheets. As you can see, a new row has been added with the details of the GitHub issue. In this way, you can create an automation journey to add records in Google Sheets for new GitHub issues within minutes. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.